Hi everybody, this is CR number 3 helper video for question number 3 on the multiple choice. It says simplify negative 46 minus 12. Okay, first thing, Mrs. Van Dyke and I like to kind of give you guys a fun way of remembering how to add and subtract positives and negatives. First of all, let's circle the sign that goes with the number. Bam, bam, there it is. Okay. So now what you need to do is you need to look at those two signs. Remember, we say negatives are kind of like the bad guys, right? They're the bad guys. So if I've got 46 bad guys here and then 12 more bad guys show up, guess what? I'm going to have a total of a certain number of bad guys because I don't have any good guys at all. So my answer has to be negative, and I have 46 to start, and I have 12 more bad guys joining. So I'm going to add those together. And 46 plus 12 is 58. So I have 58 bad guys, or negative 58. Sorry, there was a fruit fly. Circle in this one. Bam. Go ahead. Start number 3. Good luck.